Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Let me know, is the audio video clear for you guys? Is everything clear? Harish, thanks for confirming, sir. All right, this is a BTC chart, 5 minutes time frame. Now on this chart, I mark this zone, and this zone. The zone I marked because this is an important resistance area. I am in sell side from 1,18,600. Can I please tell me here breakdown? You can trail the stop loss and wait for breakdown here. So here after giving breakdown, it can get converted to fake breakdown. Okay, so here it can get converted, so little bit careful you be. Pranav Vikram, welcome sir to the live stream. All right, so here you can see I marked this zone, and this zone. And in this zone, you see this area was acting as a resistance zone. Once this level breaks, this acted as support. Same thing with the zone. Once this level broke, this acted as support. Now this area has broken. This ideally should act as resistance area. Now here, if market forms a wick, that bearish trade you guys were saying that you have taken, right? How many of you are part of crypto community group? You looked into the setup. I discussed about the bearish setup. So here any breakdown you get, booking the profit, maybe you can exit. But trail the stop loss as much as possible. Now let's see global market data. Global market is saying Dow Jones is flat, just 0.19%. S&P 500 not yet. We have got the data. Nasdaq also we have not yet got the data. Indian market sell on rise or buy on dip, sir? Today I did sell on rise. For me it did not work out. If you are asking for tomorrow and all, that one we will see later, because during the pre-market only little more clarity we will get. Initially my view was about, many people view will be bearish, so let's look into bullish setup itself first. After that initial upside move, I thought weak players removed. I was waiting for setup. For me today, little Indian market did not work that well. Why did you view failed today, and why don't you take call trade after that? I took a trade. Okay, I had a view about market will make a momentum like this, but I don't know, some once in a while psychology get affected, and there were certain points which made me feel that people will enter at least before 1 o'clock itself. Majority of the time, if you see, let's say short covering rally came up during the beginning of the day itself, 1 o'clock, 1:30, then again people will start selling. But here today movement came very late. So look at DII's data. I think they have done some magic today. Solana view, see, this was the BTC setup which I had discussed. Almost same thing what I said. Here if market gives a breakdown, that will be your profit booking area. Okay, you book your profit at the zone and then wait for the next setup. That is the logic. By now whoever entered, you should have trailed the stop loss as much as possible. Okay, so this was about BTC setup morning. Ethereum did not come to the resistance only. Solana exact near the resistance, continuous fall. Now so Solana might be at a zone where here it has given a breakdown. You see this zone, you consider this zone or this zone, this entire zone. Here market was acting as resistance, gave a breakdown, this area was respected. Once this area breaks, this has to act as support. Market has given a breakdown here, right? It might get converted to false breakdown. Whoever has entered Solana trade based on this risk reward what I shared, I think it is better that you trail your stop loss to max. In BTC also situation is somewhat similar. Trail your stop loss as much as possible, because sometimes market can take support here, bounce back, or it can give a fake breakdown and bounce back. Okay, you're getting the point, right? People attraction will be only below the zone. Bearish trade, more bearish trade, attraction will be below the zone. So this is the first area where I am thinking market can reverse. Ravi Kumar sir, okay, you have got Solana view. View is very simple. This is the zone. If you have already taken the trade, think about placing your stop loss as much as possible. If you have exited also, fine. You can see that here, where is it? This was the zone morning before reaching the resistance, and later point of day, this was the reversal area. So once market comes to this area itself, to a certain extent, you have to be a bit careful. You have to plan for a reversal setup or something like that. Sometimes, of course, we cannot time the market all the time. You see here in gold, expectation was it will reverse from this zone, but it did not reverse. It moved towards the upside. Once resistance breaks, what will happen? That resistance level becomes the supporting zone. So like that, it's getting balanced in terms of gold. Ethereum, it did not even reach the resistance, so we might be little skeptical, should we enter or not enter. We would have missed opportunity here. Who has taken bearish trade, trail and go to the max? Any info on coin D6 referral? See, I had a word with them. Okay, some people are saying coin D6 is good and things like that. I'm fine with that. But the person whom I spoke with, right, with whom I had conversation, he was not professional and he showed some attitude. I did not like it. Product is good, people are saying, but because of that person's attitude, I did not feel like speaking to him. I just left it as it is. So any better person comes from coin D6, discusses with me, maybe I will see. At this point of time, idea is there, because even they are FIU registered, but still as of now we have not finalized on anything. BTC trade, how much minimum capital I need to, sir? Sir, I made basic videos already. Please watch that, because majority of the questions that you guys are asking. See, traders market is giving a breakdown here, right? I would suggest you to switch to 1 minute time frame and get your stop loss at this zone. Okay, if it moves additionally, that's your bonus. If it doesn't move, this completely converts to wick, then trailing stop loss will get hit here only, and you can consider to exit. Those who are holding on to the trade based on this setup what I shared, or already here market has come to the target, so the setup you say consider, as of now the setup is closed. No more my view is bearish about the market. Freshly only we have to see. Freshly only, if I enter now bearish trade, doesn't make sense. In wife account, maybe the trailing would have been done and it would have got closed. That I'll go check later. Now chance of reversal is there, so be a bit careful is what I'm saying. Already I informed, if it gives a breakdown, trail your stop loss to max. You want to exit, also exit. Someone was asking about something, right? I forgot. Any info about coin D6? Coin D6 I've told. As of now, no, too much rapport was not good between the person whom I spoke with. They are FIU registered, but it did not work. So I have to see. Maybe next week I will, if someone new from Delta coin D6 reach out to me, then I will speak to them. Tara, good evening. Yes, Mark. Let's see why data. sorry, liquidation heat map. Liquidation, mainly it is near 1,17,200 zone here at the bottom, and on top we have it near 1,19,000 range. Here also some liquidation is there, but this one 19,000, 1,19,000, 1,17,000. Here less liquidity we have. So already informed, whoever wanted to trail to max, if you have trailed, you would have escaped yourself from this kind of scenario. Okay, this is something which we already expected. Hi sir, you said there is a free course for price action, especially for crypto community people. Can you please share the link? If you are already in crypto group, what you do is you go here, pinned comment. Can you see there is here? If you go, that video is there, sample trading setups are there, all of those things you can have a look. It's already there in the crypto community group. Have a look at that, sir. Okay, so exactly this zone and reversal. So, can I explain about trailing the stop loss? See, initially, what you can do, basically you have to try for 1:2 risk reward for safe traders. I'm saying once market reaches at least 1:1 risk reward, trail your stop loss to cost and leave the setup as it is, and when it goes to 1:2, get your stop loss to 1:1, like that. So here, by when market is making a movement here, already you would have been in profit that you will hold. So continuation also, net to net you will be profitable, right? Like that you can try at the initial stage. ATH buy or sell, no clarity. Okay, ATH no clarity. We will see the zone. ATH, this area is 618 level, and also this area acted as a resistance and later it acted as support. Let it give a breakdown here, later shows continuation, means we'll look into bearish, not as of now. Superb reversals, traders. Very good reversal. For whom I said, okay, be careful now. Who was careful, nicely they would have exited at this time. Hello sir, any BTC trade, how much minimum capital? I was searching for basic videos, right? You want to learn basics of crypto? There is one video already. So many of them, the doubts what you ask is the same kind of doubts. So I have shared the link. Please go and have a look at that. 1,17,800, 17,300. Now market is correcting near this zone. Let it correct, but later, let's say it shows continuation. I mean, after correcting here, it shows continuation, then maybe we can focus on the bullish side. Global market, positive. Dow Jones though little. Nice stop loss hunting, traders. Do it for Nifty also, means what you want me to do for Nifty? So today Nifty made a big correction after 2 p.m. in the expiry day position. Is it good to not have SL, reduce the lots and leave the SL to 0? No, that's not a good idea. My stop loss for, I think, see here also I had planned one trade. when market formed double top. But for me, risk reward for the day was already over. So I did not plan this third setup. Second thing is, I was very tempted to take this trade, but I did not take because time is after 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, when movement comes, my role is not to take trades. Your role, if it is there to take trades after 2 o'clock, fine. For me, psychology doesn't sit properly post 2 o'clock. So even though I had this view, I did not plan any entry. So that's how I think. If you wait for zero, I think put option which I entered somewhere here, I exited at 35, right? But market went up to 2 rupees, 24,800. After 2 rupees only, it went up to 40. That doesn't make sense. Holding the trade like that, looking at only today's move, doesn't make sense. In BTC also, what is happening now is, here setup was fine, everything. Okay, this setup was fine. I asked to book in market reverse. Trap, we identified properly, but we did not take entry. That was my mistake. That's fine. I was explaining things also. This area, resistance, this is previous resistance. Fine. Does market have space to move towards the upside? Yes, it does. Now it will correct a bit. Later when it becomes bullish, we will see. Okay. Understood, sir. Thank you. Okay. Nifty live. There is rules. We should not be doing live. So I'm not going to do live. In future, when they say crypto also you can't do live, I'll stop doing live. Now, if you ask what my view is, first view was here. It will come up to the zone to trap the market will reverse. That's fine. Now, this correction, what I'm thinking, it's coming. But I expect this to convert to reversal. I'm thinking like that based on the concept that I know I have learned. So that is why I'm thinking, should I enter now, wait for a proper level? 382 level is a nice area. I will try now. Okay, placing a buy order here. So this is the level. Stop loss here. Okay, entry here, stop loss here, target 1:2. First I'll try for 1:2 up to this zone. Okay, I'll try up to this zone. You can see this is my stop loss around 270 to 80 points. That's it. Target is around 600 points. Around 1:2 risk reward is the trade plan. Which platform I'm using? I'm using Delta Exchange. If you want to try, link is there in the pinned comment. You can check it out. S&P 500 big gap up, after that continuous correction, that's fine. Dow Jones, sorry, Nasdaq, after big gap up, continuous correction, that is also fine. what level I have kept. Little below 618 level only I have placed the stop loss. If I keep stop loss near 786 level, it will be too far. So basically the zone is fine. So it was okay for the trade. Target zone. Once market breaks this zone, then breaking this resistance and all will be very easy for the market. That's what I'm waiting for. This zone, it has to move up. This resistance, less importance. This resistance only important. If this breaks, it has high chances of reaching this zone. We will see. The light hitting on my face is so annoying. Okay. Traders, around 50 people watching the live stream, only 17 likes. Support the channel, traders, by liking the video. It motivates me also to make regular videos like this. When you like the video, more people from South India who wants to, it's for them. Many Hindi channels is there, but English channel, it's not getting recognition. So suggest certain people, your friends and other people who's interested about the channel, you tell them. Paper trading platform for crypto. From the time I started, I'm doing live trading only. Paper trading, as of now, I don't know. If it is there, I will check and let you know, guys. Let you guys know. So please tell me that you have tried swing, that you have your right signal. Isn't it better for such an experienced trader like you? What swing trading? See, the stock selection process, sitting and looking at 20, 30, all those things. We can set triggers and all those things is fine. But how my mindset right now is, there are my top 30, 40 stocks, okay, which I feel fundamentally are good stocks. What I do, those stocks, whenever I set trigger for those stocks, when it comes for long-term investment perspective, fair value, what I feel, I will go and keep buying those stocks. Okay, that is for long term, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, like that. For swing trading, I used to do a lot of swing trading and things like that. But you see, when you start looking at, imagine this, there is one person, you think every day you keep meeting that person, talking to that person, then to a certain extent you will know what is that person's likes, dislikes. You will get better understanding of those people, right? So same way only for me, Nifty, Bank Nifty and all, I've spent so much time looking at the same chart. So what story Nifty, Bank Nifty and all says, to a certain extent, the days when I'm able to understand that, for me things are working great. So there is no pressure for me to keep looking at the stock, that stock, all those things. Once the market open, I parallelly watch both the index. How I do that, how I understand stop loss hunting, everything I've explained in the course. If you see many analysis videos I have done in the past, that thing if you see also, to a certain extent you will be able to get. Only thing is 3 months if you are there with me and you see how I see here. I told you right sometime back, okay, BTC, it will give a breakdown here, attract people, know the stop loss hunting at the bottom, market can reverse. I told that already. So that is what happened in the market. So how am I able to do that? I'm using the same experience what I use in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. Over a period of time, in this also my accuracy will get increased and things like that. Now let's say my accuracy is around 50%. Okay, 55%. But every time what I'm doing, I'm taking 1:2 risk reward. So end of the month, 50% of the time, if I'm profitable also, net to net, I am good. That is my plan. Over a period of time, somehow I have to push it to reach 65% accuracy. If I do it, it will be great for me. That is my goal for BTC for 6 months. Once that is done, Ethereum, Solana, everything I'll start focusing on. 2-3 index I'll parallelly watch what I want to trade. Let's say in BTC no trade opportunity, then quickly Solana, Ethereum opportunity is there, means I will enter. That is how I want to go. But BTC is the main thing. So once I'm able to understand the sentiment of that, maybe other coins also might correlate with that. Okay, that is how I want to. Maybe another 2-3 months, I think I will reach that 65% accuracy. Now, okay, 50%, 55% success rate also is good because the risk reward is 1:2. But I want to reach that 65, 70. If I reach 70%, I'm happy. Sir, have you tried intraday trading in futures for Nifty instead of options which you have time decation? Sir, before in 2018, 19, 20, more than options, I was doing futures only. It was very good that time. Lots I was able to buy, lot of benefit we used to have. Over a period of time, okay, we have when this one is increasing margins, that time many people, they come to options market. Okay, if more people are coming to options market, for me, I will find liquidity there. Right, you're understanding at certain prices in based on spot chart. If people are thinking of entering in options, there I will get good opportunity. There's no big difference between trading in futures or option. You have that benefit, capital requirement is there, means you guys see. You just 2020, 2019 and all, and mid of 2020, most of the time futures market only was my trade. Traders, this is given a breakout here again, like this trap. If market creates, corrects, later it can move, means for that we have to be prepared. If you want to book here, you book. Maybe after correction breakout, means again you can re-enter. I'm not doing any changes. I'm just going to leave it. Almost it's getting close to the target. Let it go. But I'm letting you know itself. This breakout, it can fail, and then maybe later point of time market can reverse. 50% chances there. So when I mostly take trades, I know I'm able to judge to a certain extent at what level I can get trapped, at what level market can reverse. But based on the conviction, okay, if this stop loss what I have given, if I feel okay, market to hit the stop loss, it has to put too much effort, then I will not make any changes. I will hold on to the trade. But my stop loss is, let's say here, if it's very close by, then I trail the stop loss, or too much of target I have achieved, I trail my stop loss and go. That time also I will decide to get my stop loss to the maximum at this zone. Now here this correction possibility is there, but one strong candle movement is pending. That will create problem here, and then once it reaches this zone, then we will see what to do. Should I trail this stop loss and go continuation or? But now I'm saying the zone can create pressure. You want to exit, means you exit. Sir, if I have capacity of 10 lots, can I go for one lot in the if price goes down and make it 2 lots average when price goes down? Make it to 10 lots gradually. So you mean to say you're not going to place all the order at once, you're just going to add more positions as you get confidence with the setup. You can do, but the thing is overall profit will differ, and more positions you're taking, brokerage you will pay, all those things are there. Maybe you see every trade you can't do like that. Okay, what I will do is, okay, certain trade, okay, market is at this zone, it's not yet broken, after breaking let me enter, but now if it breaks out already, I should not miss out on opportunity. Let's say one lot I place here, market corrects, let's say my stop loss was up to the zone, here one lot I will add more, almost near stop loss if it comes means, then I will not pressurize. But here when I average it out, buy it only when I'm very confident about the setup I'm saying. That time you can do. Just because market is going against you, you keep adding positions means that doesn't make sense. For you, at least you should be 80-90% sure. No one can be 100% sure. So I'm saying 80-90% you have to have, okay, I'm convinced this will work. If it doesn't work, fine, I'll give the stop loss. Based on that, I'm going to add more positions means you can do. Not randomly, how you say. Safe traders are told to exit here. Market can correct and later reverse. Pull back. Solana also I had told, right, this is the zone. Anyone who's entered maximum, trail your stop loss, no more bearish trade. If Solana goes below the zone only, little more pressure you can see, but beautifully corrected from the resistance level which we discussed. Here where liquidity is there. 1,19,000 level, we have some liquidity here. Maximum liquidity is 19,600. We'll see about it. We are still at 18,000. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're not liked the video, please do that. It will support the channel. It will motivate me also. Sir, I have a request story. Please don't stop the live in crypto. I have sincere request. Story, please don't stop live in crypto. You guys support the channel. If you support, I will continue. See, today my mother's birthday, okay? I have to go around 8:30. But still I'm coming here for the live stream. Because yesterday I promised I will be coming live on Thursday, but Friday I'm traveling. For that reason, I cannot. Explain about liquidation heat map. Spoken, when market usually likes liquidity, it tends to go where liquidity is. On top it can go up to the zone, at the bottom it can go up to the zone. Once you get the trend and market gains the liquidity, later it can correct. Here after taking out liquidity, market can reverse. So like that it can happen. So that's how you make use of it. Happy birthday to your mom. Best wishes, sir. Thank you. Max. So another 7:30 now time is. Okay, around another 30 minutes. I'll stay live and then I have to go. Because I have to order food from Zomato and things like that. Thank you, sir. I'll convey the message. I'll turn off the screen for 2 minutes. It's annoying for me. I don't think anyone does like this in live stream, right? Off the screen, on the screen. I'm a kind of specimen. Sir, put crypto analysis on free group. Sir, crypto, I've shared the levels, no, in the crypto community group. You can see that here. Morning only, when Indian market is there, that time only I've shared the levels. Nice movement also we have got. And I've discussed about the setup also here. That is a free community only. Whoever opens account with Delta Exchange, they get access to the group. What time frame you are using? Basically, I want to use 3 minutes time frame itself, but today I have used 1 minute to get more clarity. If you see here, I told you right, it will get converted to wick here after taking the liquidity. No big wick, but quick reversal. Here also it's forming a flag. Happy birthday, International Friendship Day, sir. And today is International Friendship Day. I didn't know. Okay, thank you, sir. In Delta Exchange, what is the leverage you get? If you're trading in BTC, you can get up to 200x also as a leverage, but I just keep it as 50. So in the basic video, everything I have covered, traders. I'll share the basic video link if you want. People keep asking the same query and I keep sharing the same link. Which time frame using for trading? That it's possible. Please come. That I've told we cannot come live in Indian market. Call us friends today instead of traders. I'm used to calling traders. Friends, already I said safe traders to exit here. Who exited, fine. I have not made any changes to the setup. I'm just leaving it as it is. If it's a correction, achieves the target, means fine. That's what I'm going to stick to. Okay. All right, friends. Let's see how it goes. I feel awkward calling friends. So does plus hunting work in swing trading also? It does, but I have not seen the success rate, sir. Okay, swing trading means, let's say 15 minutes time frame, like that means okay, fine. But if you ask me for swing trading, let's say you're taking 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, that time little addition to stop loss hunting, other concept also you have to see. How strong is the zone? After how many days has market been in the same zone for, let's say 56 5 to 6 days, and later it is giving a breakout, then that will have more strength. That time stop loss hunting cannot happen. Like that situation we will come across. 66 people watching the live stream, only 48 likes. At least match it, traders. 66 views, 66 likes. Whoever likes the live stream, please mention your name in the comment section. I will announce top 5 names. Okay. Till we get a chance to enter in private Telegram group, use CoinDSCX or other ways. Please provide crypto levels in. CoinDSCX conversation is happening. We'll see. Thank you, sir. I'll convey the message. Thank you so much, Nitish sir, for liking the live stream. Here, little volume is increasing. Hopefully, market, let's say, it has come up to 786 level. So from here, if there is a continuation, it is a good thing. We'll see how it goes. Thank you so much, Vinod sir. First thing I do is hit the like. Thank you so much, Srinivas sir. You have always been supportive. But you run away in between. If the live stream goes for more than 1 hour, you run away, saying got to go. Okay, Vinod Reddy sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Pranav sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Where did you learn about trading? There was one YouTube channel from in 2017-18. It's called Boot Camp, something like that, related to trading. It's a US based, this one. There only I went and learned price action. Always liking the stream. Thank you so much, Adrian. I know even you have been supporting the channel all the time. Pranav sir, thank you so much. I'll convey the message. How to join crypto group? Link is there in the pinned comment, sir. You open account with Delta Exchange. After that, send WhatsApp message to the number that you're seeing on the screen, and we will add you to the group. Okay. I don't run away. I'm 73 difficult with. Really, 73? I did not know, sir. I can just see a small image of your YouTube thing. I thought you're in your early 40s or something, because nothing is visible. Very tiny image I can see. 73? Awesome, sir. Things that you're doing at 73, I don't even I'll be able to do that. Any re-entry? Re-entry, the zone, market is putting some pressure, traders, this zone. That is one concern. So if it gives a breakdown here and here, only one re-entry is there, but stop loss we cannot give here. Stop loss again we have to give here only. That is why I'm quiet. If any re-entry is there with small stop loss, let's say at this zone or this zone. Now still this candle is not given closing, right? You want to take a re-entry, fine. Let me tell you the logic. Here 382 level is acting as a strong support that you can consider. And in recent swing also, the zone, usually the 786 level can be a pullback zone. Up to this zone, if market, let's say it forms a wick. Okay, after forming a wick, from your bullishness, if it continues, then maybe with small stop loss here below my entry price, you place the stop loss, look for entry. Target can be small, target can be big, stop loss can be small if the movement continues. Okay, re-entry you asked, I'm saying re-entry is there available. You have to be ready to give the stop loss. You see it's holding on 786 level. So if it reverses, nice movement you can get. So that is my re-entry opportunity. You want to enter, you enter. Really commendable. No sir, Srinivas sir, very very good. Hitting like is emotion. Super sir, super. I do like always first visit only. Thank you so much, Balaji sir. Thank you so much. I asked to increase the views. 66 views was there. So I asked you guys to increase the likes to 66. But 15 people went away from the live stream. So likes is more, views is less. What traders? Anyways. It is kind of reliable. It is reliable. When I give you the strategy, you will know. At at certain areas only you have to consider, not all the levels. Based on this, it's giving a pullback, pullback, pullback. 50% correction. Again, cost to cost. What's happening in US market? Is there a lot of pressure? There is a bit of pressure, but not too much. Traders, you see, here who wants to exit, I said already you can exit. And I said I will not trail the stop loss because there is a chance of market correcting and later giving a upside move. Right. So same logic I'm using. I'm not made any changes. Stop loss is intact. Market is near my entry price only. So market here it has come. You want to enter means you can enter. Same level, same stop loss. Hopefully the setup gets closed by 8 o'clock. If I leave, please do not mistake me as running away. Sorry, sir. No, sir. I understood. My complete respect for you. How to trade with this call put open interest. I saw that latest video, but still facing some difficulty while I'm doing live trading. Can you please explain it again? Explaining now in this live stream will be difficult, but what you do is I think I keep sharing the view. Morning I was saying that when I had taken the first trade, somewhere I had discussed. Equally, people are showing interest. This is the total open interest is here. Little bit market can be on the call side later. It can be on the put side, like that I had discussed here. But today market, yes, little confusion and all it created because of the news based thing. So don't go based on today. Anyways, tomorrow, day after tomorrow and all, no news, right? We will see about that. Venkatesh Babu, bro, please let me know your name. My name is Yatish. I've typed my name. Lokanathan, sir, you're in the live stream for what? I've seen you at least in 3-4 live streams minimum. And I think from before only you were there in the live stream. Thank you. Market is creating confusion in the zone. Let me see other index. What is it doing? In Solana also there is some kind of trapping happening here. See this zone, it's trying to give a breakdown here, attract little more people, but I don't know why. I feel the buyers who entered here, right, already they can re-enter at this zone. By chance they fail to re-enter here, at this zone they will enter. So randomly I don't want to look into any bearish trade here. If this level breaks, let it break. Maybe this zone we can see a reversal. Market has come down. Up to what level? It's gone below 0.5618. Now for me, in case market hits the stop loss, I have to close. If that is the situation, then what I will do, later point of day, again I'll be looking for bullish setup itself. The chances of market breaking this zone and continuation and all is very low. So with that logic, I'll be looking at one more setup on the bullish side itself later, maybe post 8:30, sorry, post 9 o'clock, things like that. Almost near stop loss. 618 level, market is holding at this point of time. I will see what it does. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Ramakrishna, sir. Opened account, please add me to the group. Oh, opened account, you send your Delta Exchange user ID via WhatsApp. Only then we can check and add you to the group. Okay. Again, cost to cost. Etish Kumar means even I don't know. SN Raj. Raj, sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Final zone. And this, if we get a reversal, fine. Or else, this time if it goes, it will take the stop loss. Half the people who exit when I say safe traders exit, when I say that, whoever exits, no, they usually they become very happy, but they get disappointed when we capture very big moments like 1500, 2000 points. So safe traders, yes, exiting for them is fine at this zone. Now that's about to break the support. If it breaks, then I'll close for the day. I shot it from 1,18,600. Initially view was that only. Okay, you short it here. Okay, good for you. It would be nice profit. Trail your stop loss to maximum if possible. Sir, I hope you're not a heavy smoker. Don't ask me. Can we take trade in BTC and Ethereum? Morning, can we take trade in? Sure, it is open 24/7. You can take. Stop loss taken traders. Fine. We waited for a bigger target, at least 1:2. Market reversed, took the stop loss. Fine. One more setup. I cannot take right now because of, I've told the reason already. What I will do is, this is the last setup. Okay. Again, I'm going to buy. I'll place the stop loss and I will close the live stream. You want to enter means you enter. If you don't want also, you need not enter. Okay. I've updated the stop loss. Little below this low. And this is my target. You don't want to enter, you don't enter. Okay. For me, it is saying that, okay, all the liquidity is taken off. After this, market can tend to move towards the upside. So I will share this also in the group. Who's interested, they can look into it. Okay. So if market hits the target, fine. If it hits the stop loss, fine. I'm going to leave it to the market. Okay. This is my last setup for the day. So that's about it. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. I'll keep you updated about the status of this request. Just 270 points is the risk. 1000 points is the target. Risk reward is nice. So I have entered. Okay. And also this zone is where I feel below this zone, there's no liquidity in the market. I mean stop loss hunting. So market, this can be an attraction, attracted more people. Someone said you entered near 1,18,600, right? You want to trail your stop loss to maximum, you can do it. Or you think no, market will go very much to the bottom. If you're confident about that, then you can do it, do what you wish to. Okay. That's about it. Thank you so much for participating in the live stream. This is the last setup for the day. If you want to take, you take, or else you can close. Okay. Thank you traders. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Enjoy. Okay. You too. Bye bye.